China's race to counter Starlink. A new space war looms over Taiwan. China's growing concern. China is ramping up efforts to counter the Starlink satellite constellation, a move that has raised eyebrows and sparked speculation about its intentions. With Taiwan's sovereignty in dispute, China fears that Starlink's advanced capabilities could tip the scales in favor of Taiwan and its allies. But here's where it gets controversial. Is China's focus on countermeasures a sign of aggression, or merely a defensive strategy? Starlink's role in modern warfare. Elon Musk's Starlink network has proven its worth in Ukraine, providing secure communications, command and control, and drone connectivity. This has not gone unnoticed by China, which views Starlink as a potential threat to its territorial claims. The network's ability to adapt and resist jamming in real time poses a significant challenge to any adversary. The Chinese countermeasure. Chinese researchers have devised a strategy to disrupt Starlink's operations. In a peer-reviewed study, they propose a distributed jamming technique using hundreds or thousands of small jammers on drones and balloons to create an electromagnetic shield. This approach aims to counter Starlink's mesh network, where user interfaces quickly switch between multiple satellites. The experiment. The team simulated Starlink's dynamic locations over China, modeling signal strength, antenna reception, and jamming effects. They found that under ideal conditions, a single jammer could disrupt Starlink reception over a significant area. However, the study acknowledges that Starlink's anti-jamming capabilities and terrain challenges could impact the effectiveness of this approach. The drone factor. The researchers suggest that deploying around 2,000 drones with less powerful but cost-effective jamming equipment could double the coverage area. This idea is supported by geospatial intelligence professional group Captain Irvin Pandy, RETD, who believes that AI-powered interference technology could make this strategy feasible. China's arsenal. China has been developing various countermeasures, including a compact power source for microwave weapons and laser-equipped submarines to target Starlink satellites. These efforts indicate a comprehensive approach to neutralize Starlink's advantage. Starlink's expansion. With over 9,000 satellites in low Earth orbit and plans to launch tens of thousands more, Starlink's mega-constellation is a formidable force. China's own G60 project, aiming to rival Starlink, underscores the importance of space-based capabilities in modern warfare. The looming conflict. China's actions have not gone unnoticed. The Associated Press reviewed numerous research papers, revealing China's deep interest in understanding and countering Starlink. But the question remains, is this a necessary defense or a prelude to a new space war? And this is the part most people miss. The methods China is developing to counter Starlink could potentially be used against its own satellite systems. As the space race intensifies, the line between defense and offense blurs, leaving the world on the edge of a new era of space-based conflicts. What do you think? Is China's focus on countering Starlink a justified defense strategy or a sign of aggressive intentions? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's explore the complexities of this emerging space rivalry.